There you have it, folks. The dream team of Milwaukee impact drivers. The M12 right angle impact driver, the M12 fuel impact driver, the M18 brushless impact driver, the M18 fuel surge impact driver, and of course the king of the heap, the M18 generation 3 impact driver. Ass kickers all the way. Top line recommended. Now these are my personal favorites, my go-to impact drivers. The right angle M12 impact driver, the M12 fuel impact driver, and then of course the king of kings, the M18 generation 3 fuel impact driver. Now these are my favorites. I hope to see your favorites in the comments. Put on a link and let's show each other our tools. 100% recommended ass kicker. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.